Hey there, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions. How to stop vaping. You might be doing it because it's cool, or maybe you started vaping to quit smoking. Whatever your reasons, today we're tackling a step-by-step guide on how to quit for good. Stick around until the end for some really useful tips. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Understand why you want to quit. Let's kick things off by talking about your why. Understanding the reason behind quitting can make your journey easier. Jot down these reasons in a notebook. Having a concrete list can serve as a strong motivator. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention emphasizes the health risks of vaping, especially among youth. The sooner you quit, the better it is for your health. Step 2. Set a quit date. Now that you know your why, it's time to set a when. Pick a day in your calendar, mark it, and commit to it. This could be tomorrow or a week from now, but make sure you stick to it. Step 3. Plan your approach. You don't have to go it alone. The American Cancer Society recommends using nicotine replacement therapies like gums or patches to help with cravings. Choose the one that you think will work best for you. You could also consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice. Step 4. Track your progress. Keeping tabs on your journey can be incredibly motivating. There are several apps designed to help you quit smoking or vaping, providing helpful statistics like money saved and health benefits gained over time. Download one and start tracking. Step 5. Find a support system. Let's be honest, quitting is tough. A study by the Queen Mary University of London found that having an accountability partner or being part of a support group can double your chances of success. So go on, call a friend or join a local or online group. Step 6. Manage cravings. Cravings can strike at any time, but they usually last for just a few minutes. When you get the urge, chew some gum or grab a healthy snack. Keep your hands and mouth busy. The Mayo Clinic suggests that this can help you curb those cravings. Step 7. Celebrate small wins. Each day you go without vaping is a victory. Celebrate these small wins. Reward yourself with something you enjoy, but make sure it's not another form of nicotine or harmful substance. You've got this. Remember, quitting is a journey, not a one-time event. If you slip, don't beat yourself up. Start again and keep moving forward. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about your journey to quit vaping.